Thanks so much for staying with us for the weather report and forecast. Now, there are stable conditions across most of the Caribbean this evening. High pressure is beginning to dominate across most of the region, and we also have moisture being advected out of the Caribbean, so we're seeing drier conditions across most of the area. There are some scattered clouds over the open waters. We still have some moisture helping to generate those low-level clouds, but there aren't significant showers or significant thunderstorms in the Caribbean at this time, and we're not expecting things to be changing dramatically over the next few days. Now, the forecast for tonight, fair skies across the area. Temperatures are expected to drop to 25 degrees Celsius in Kingston and in Montego Bay. We have 5-knot winds on both coasts, from the north on the south coast and from the southeast on the north coast. In the morning tomorrow, generally sunny skies are expected across most of the area. For the afternoon, we have partly cloudy conditions across inland areas, but generally sunny conditions elsewhere. Temperatures 33 degrees Celsius in Kingston, 34 degrees Celsius for Montego Bay. Now, tomorrow, expect another generally sunny day across most of the southeast. We also have strong winds across southeastern portions of the island. There are a few clouds likely in the afternoon in Spanish Town and Mandeville, also in Santa Cruz, Savannah, Lamar, Lucy, Montego Bay and Falmouth. Generally sunny conditions continue for the northeast tomorrow, especially in the afternoons, while partly cloudy skies are likely across inland areas, Moco, Christiana, Grange Hill, also Duncan's Cave Valley, Richmond and Moortown. Generally sunny conditions continue for the remainder of this week into next week Sunday. Now, for the marine forecast, we have east-northeasterly winds expected on the north coast tomorrow. The winds are between 10 and 15 knots. Wave heights are 1 to 1.5 meters. On the south coast tomorrow, we're expecting the winds from the east-southeast at 15 to 20 knots, with wave heights from 1.5 to 2 meters. And also for offshore areas, the winds are easterly to east-northeasterly at 15 to 20 knots, with wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. And for the offshore outlook, we're expecting the winds to be anywhere between 15 to 20 knots on Friday as well as on Saturday and Sunday. The sunset in Kingston tomorrow is at 6:30. Sunset at Negril Point, 6:30. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. But we thank you so much for watching.